So we've got a couple unboxings here today. If I switch camera angles, we have PCPanel. Now this was kind of a Kickstarter-y kind of thing, the community-backed project that released, or that was teased a while back. I had my order placed forever ago and honestly forgot about it, and it has shipped. So it just came like this, I guess. Now this looks like a mixer. It looks like an audio interface kind of thing, but it's not. This is basically a control dial system that only connects via a single USB-C cable and allows you to control the audio levels of specific programs in your system. The issue of Windows Audio is you can't just capture a specific program. You can't, like in OBS, you can't just be like, just hook my game audio, not the rest of my system sound, my Discord audio or whatever. And so that's why devices like the Go XLR exist, to allow you to still map out to virtual audio devices all these things and treat it like a mixer. This does not serve that purpose. This is purely a control device to give you more control over your system by allowing you to adjust the volume and balance of specific programs through the new Windows 10 based audio mapping stuff. But yeah, it's pretty neat, so I'll check it out. Ultimately, it's just about having more control over your system. If you want that, it is quite heavy. It's going to stay in place, which is very nice. But we do actually have a mixer in for unboxing today as well, which is a coincidence, not intentional or planned. This is the FLAMMA FM10. This is a USB interface that actually allows you to capture each of these on separate tracks, as far as I understand. I cannot confirm that yet. As always, wait for the review. But the big appeal of that is that it actually offered unique audio channel capturing, and I just realized I have no idea where my knife went. Either way, this is a not terribly priced audio mixer. Connects over USB-C and can use USB-C for additional power. If we pull it out here, you can see you have two XLR inputs for capturing microphones or instruments. I believe this one can do high Z for instrument input. Then you have a stereo pair of 1/4 inch jacks, RCA, and then two sets of outputs. So you can go to speakers, studio monitors, or into your computer. And then it has USB as well as 5-volt DC, and it can work with the phone. On-off switch on the back there. You've got gains, levels, compressor and EQ just as a button. I believe that's controllable through software. And you even have a 3.5mm aux-in as an alternative to the RCA. This is laid out kind of funky, but I loved the color scheme and want to check it out in a review. So we'll feature it at some point in the future. All right. So that wraps up the unboxings.